I don't know about you, but I am terrified of the makeup counter. There's just so much pressure. So we brought in Emmy Award-winning makeup artist Kevin James Bennett to help us navigate the makeup counter. So how can we have a really great experience?
Research. If you go in and you have intention, the sales associate can help you more effectively, can show you a lot of options, and more than likely you will walk out with something you're going to love.
So what if you want to get a makeup trial done or get your makeup done?
You really should call ahead and make an appointment. That way you know that the sales associate or the makeup artist is going to allot a specific amount of time for you to help you.
So in terms of arriving, should you come with makeup on or should you be a clean canvas?
I would suggest that you come in wearing the makeup you normally wear, not the makeup you wear for going out at night, and don't come in with a clean face, because if you come in with a clean face, we don't know where we should take you.
Should you bring photos or tell them the event that you're actually headed to?
Absolutely. You should bring images of what you want to look like or think you want to look like. You also need to bring a visual reference for color, because your idea of red might be totally different than my idea of red.
What is the proper makeup counter etiquette?
You have to commit to a certain level of purchase. I want to understand where somebody came up with the concept of free makeovers. It's like there are no free makeovers. Just be honest and say to the makeup artist, like, you know what? I'm here to buy a lipstick and a mascara today, but I really need to update my foundation. Can we look at some foundations while we're doing the makeup and just talk about it?
So should you be expecting a hard sell?
If you walk into a retail environment and you're given a hard sell, walk out. That is not a comfortable retail environment. Don't shop there.
Are there some items you shouldn't feel that immediate pressure to buy?
Complexion items, those are commitment items. A new moisturizer, a new foundation, a new concealer. You want to see how they work, how they last. This is a case scenario where it would be a good idea to ask for a sample.
So should I be asking for tips while my makeup is being applied?
That would depend on whether or not you're getting your makeup applied to go to an event or go somewhere. In that case, it's like, just be quiet and let the makeup artist do their job. If you're in for an actual consultation, yeah, you should be asking questions, because then you're not going to have that buyer's remorse.
And what about sample policy?
Sample policy, you take a sample. Don't ask for 5, because then you're asking for half a bottle of moisturizer. That's not cool.
So do you tip with actual cash?
It's always wise to ask. It's like in a retail environment like this, somebody handing you cash, it's kind of weird. If somebody says, well, no, I'm sorry, we don't accept tips, it's like, okay, you know what? I really enjoyed our experience. Do you have a favorite wine that you like? Do you have whatever? Just find something out that they like. You're going to get the most amazing service the next time you come in.
So things start to go a little haywire. How can you save face?
Well, I mean, if you find that you're not liking what's going on, you have to say something. You can't sit there quietly and just like shrink and then leave and go, I hate it. Have the interaction. Even if you're bashful, even if you're shy, you've got to turn around and say, listen, you know what? This is past my comfort level. Can we try something else? The dialogue is going to make the experience much better for both of you.